What you're about to hear isn't science fiction. It's what CEOs, researchers, and technologists are saying right now. In the next 10 years, millions of jobs around the world may vanish. Not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because of artificial intelligence. Let's explore the careers that may not exist by 2035. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots are already replacing them. They're faster, cheaper, and never at sleep. Data entry clerks. Gone. AI can scan, categorize, and process data in seconds. Cashiers. Self-checkout kiosks and automated payment systems are becoming the norm. Customer service agents. Replaced by virtual assistants that understand and respond better every day. Legal assistants and paralegals. AI is learning to draft contracts, summarize cases, and even predict outcomes in courtrooms. Proofreaders. Grammarly, ChatGPT, and similar tools can catch errors and rewrite content in seconds. And here's the twist. It's not just low-skill jobs. Even software engineers, junior analysts, and entry-level marketers are seeing parts of their work replaced by large language models. But it's not all doom and gloom. There will be jobs, but they just won't look like the ones we know today. The future belongs to the flexible, to those who adapt, to those who learn how to work with AI, not against it. So, the real question isn't, what jobs will vanish? It's, how will you evolve? Because in the next 10 years, it won't be the strongest or the smartest who thrive. It'll be those who can change.